Welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English test of oral past question. Question number 13. So we are still using the same instruction, looking out for the option that has the same vowel sound as in the given word. And the given word here is pronounced as man. And the underlying letter is letter A. So let us find out the letter A sound. So by international phonetic transcription, the letter A sound as A and it is short A. Take note of that. Option A here is pronounced as tape. Tape. Then option B is pronounced as slash. Slash. Then the A here is also short A. Then option C is pronounced as palm. So what we have here is palm. Palm. So by international phonetic transcription, we have long A here. Then option D is pronounced as balm. So also what we have here is long A version, balm. So by this transcription, the correct option is option B, because in option B transcription we have short A as in the given word. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.